All right, Team Chef Eric here. Hope everybody's having a great day. Want to get into one of my favorite Kamado Joe accessories. We're talking about the Kamado Joe Soapstone. Okay, this is a super versatile piece to add to your culinary arsenal, and it doesn't take much upkeep, so I absolutely love that. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. I mean, that's Christmas come early right there. Okay, super smooth. You know, it sucks up energy so well. So your dome temperature might be 500. This baby could be running at 600. It just takes the energy and it keeps the heat. I love doing thin cutlets on this, or scallops even. I've gotten this baby up so hot that I've put scallops on there and you just see them dance. You can roll them and they're searing as they roll. Really smooth surface. So if you're able to put this under a microscope, you'd see it's a non-porous surface. That means 100% connectivity with the food that you're putting on there. You're getting 100% power, sear power there, okay? Versus a cast iron, which I do love my cast iron, but you're gonna cook with your cast iron at a lower heat. And if you put that under a microscope, you'd see peaks and valleys. So completely smooth, 100% connectivity. The cast iron, a little bit thinner. You're gonna cook food at a little bit less of a fast rate. This is great for also reverse searing. So if you're doing a big old ribeye or a tri-tip and you've taken it, you know, to 115, 120 degrees and you just want that big bold sear, boom, finish right on here. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look and see what it looks like in the divide and conquer system. So just like all the other half moon accessories, this fits right in the divide and conquer system so well. I do want to point out right now, see these little nubs here? I like to point these north and south on the grill face, and that way you just kind of butt up your accessory to either side and it locks it in, allowing it not to fall down into the firebox. If you're doing smash burgers with this, just a little pro tip here, I think you want to give this stone, since it is stone, a little bit more support. So a great idea is just to sneak it right on top of your grill rack there. And now you're able to smash your heart's content without worrying about breaking that stone. I think of all the flat accessories that Kamado Joe has that fit in the divide and conquer system, right now Soapstone is my absolute favorite. I do a lot of cooking with fish and a lot of reverse searing. So I go back and forth between the cast iron griddle and the Soapstone. But as far as upkeep on this, you know, you just want to scrape it and burn it clean and you're ready to go. Wipe it down, you're ready to go for the next cook. So truly a remarkable accessory from Kamado Joe. Cheers.